maaga yung pagluluto ko ng sopas today because I was thinking na ito na yung magiging food ko for the whole day, like lunch and dinner at the same time merienda. So her recipe, this is the final finished product na niluto ko today. I hope you will like it. I will show you, and in this video, I will show you the complete ingredients and the process of how I cooked it. So, sana magustuhan nyo. Kasi may ibang twist, may tip ako kasi kung paano kong gawin ang sopas ko na napakasarap. So, just watch and tune into my vlog today and I hope you will like. Here are the ingredients for my macaroni soup or sopas kung tawagin sa atin. This is my favorite because this is a comfy and hearty food. Talagang nag-i-enjoy ako kasi complete na siya. Meron na siyang meat, vegetables, lahat na nasa kanya. So, let's check the ingredients that I'm going to use. So, of course, ang macaroni, I don't know how to pronounce the name there, but I use shell pasta, macaroni, whatsoever. And I have chicken breast. I cut it into small cubes. I have unsmoked bacon to add flavor kasi may kakaibang flavor to. Ito ang nakakapag-special ng sopas ko. I have, of course, chopped onions, finely chopped garlic. I have chopped cabbage, of course, our green bell pepper, carrots into cubes, celery, and for the condiments and for other spices that I'm going to use, I have, of course, salt and pepper, garlic with pepper with garlic, of course, and I have this cube of chicken broth, the evap milk, the olive oil, and this Worcestershire sauce in replacement for the patis because I don't have patis here, and of course butter. I mix butter and olive oil para sa pagsaute ng garlic at saka ng onions and the rest of the ingredients. So later on I will show you how I do it and stay tuned. The bacon para maging crispy. Bango. Tapos, dagdag na natin ito ng kawan. So, yun. Kumukulo na siya. Tanggalin natin ang takip baka umapaw. Ngayon, I'm going to add the pepper. Masarap kasi sa dito sa soup ang pepper. So, I will add some pepper. Salt. And of course, the sauce. Lagyan natin ng sauce. Ilang patak lang. So, ito na guys. Kunting kimbot na lang. Luto na si vegetable. So, ready na yung sopas natin. Tingnan natin yung carrot. I think yung cabbage, kunti na lang. Tsaka yung carrot. O, siguro another 3 minutes. This is okay. Yan. Maghahain na ako ng sopas. Mana natin. This is so yummy. I promise you, talagang para sa akin napakasarap. Hindi din ako nagluto pero ito talaga champion pagdating sa sopas. Okay guys, thank you for watching again. See you. God bless. Bye.